Hey everyone, Willie here. Today's episode we are going to make an iPod dock with a speaker. Now for this project today we are going to use this cheap Bluetooth speaker I bought at the store the other day. It's normally 15 euros, but I got it on sale for 5 and some change, so we're going to use that. And the iPod Nano 3rd generation. This one is my daughter's, and we mainly use it for white noise while she's sleeping, but the speaker we use recently died from old age because, it's an iPod Nano. We're going to use plywood, and I'm going to actually use the Dremel Router again and route out the spot for the iPod to lay into, and then we're going to mount the speaker into the back of the board with the faceplate coming through the front. So now I'm going to trace on the patterns and start routing. Now I'm going to freehand this, and instead of using the larger Dremel router attachment, I'm just going to use this small one here. Alright, so I'm going to need to clean up the edges so that it'll fit down in there perfectly, but I've got the depth right. Now I'm going to route out from the back the spot for the plug to go into. So it's going to set in the back at an angle so that it's coming out right here at the front. Let's see how it goes. Well, I'll have to go back and see what just happened there. I really shouldn't have been using the router bit without the shield on. It caught a hold of the non-slip mat, and luckily nothing got hurt, me or the project. Okay, so we've got almost all of the routing done, I think. I don't think I have to do any more. So now I'm going to switch to the sanding drum on the Dremel and clean up the edges of everything. Now I'm going to cut the angle onto the bottom for it to lean. Okay, so we've got the frame all assembled. Now we can go ahead and put all of the pieces in place. All in all, I think it turned out pretty great. The spot for the iPod to sit is a little looser than I would have liked. I might put some felt in there to clean up the look a little bit and make it a little more snug. And other than that, I might put a coat of finish on it, but I kind of like it just as natural wood. Well, thanks for watching me make an iPod dock for my daughter's room. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll put a link up for my last video as well as a playlist of all of my videos, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Don't step on that.